budding artists. Today, we're diving into the garden to draw some colorful and healthy vegetables. Are you ready to join me in this veggie-filled adventure? Let's grab our markers and colors for a fun drawing session. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by sketching 5 vibrant and nutritious vegetables. First, draw a lovely corn in the center of the page. Make those kernels pop.
Yay!
Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp.
La da 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 dee.
Next up, draw some peas. Picture those round peas sitting snugly.
Yay!
Bolden the outline to make them stand out. Now, let's sketch a bright red tomato. Capture its plumpness. Bolden the outline for a striking look. Moving on, draw a vibrant orange carrot. Make it long and crisp. Bolden the outline to give it a strong appearance. Finally, draw some broccoli florets. Picture those clusters. Bolden the outline for a lush, green look.
Yay!
Let's add some rich and natural colors to these fantastic veggies. Here are our colors to make these vegetables come to life. Green color. Bottle green color. Yellow color.
Yay!
Orange color. Light green color.
La da 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 dee.
Green color. Bottle green color.
Ha ha! Yay!
Green color.
Wow!
Bottle green color. Red color. Maroon color. Bottle green color. Green color.
Wow!
Orange color.
Yay! Yay!
Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Light green color. Green color. Bravo! Your vibrant and nutritious veggies are now ready to be harvested. If you enjoyed drawing these colorful vegetables, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Archive, and hit that notification bell for more creative adventures. Until next time, keep drawing, keep exploring, and keep enjoying the beauty of nature's colors. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.